Boom. What's up, Money Geeks? Mr. V here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, guys, I wanted to talk about two major industries that I think we should be investing in. If you haven't already started investing in these two industries, I would highly recommend that you put a little bit into these industries. But before we get started, guys, if you're new to the channel, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. So when it comes to investing, what you want to do is stay ahead of the trend. So when things are happening in the market, if you're not on top of it, you're probably going to miss out a lot. Back in 2000, when we had the .com bust where Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and all these other companies, if you were not invested in these companies back then, look at where the companies are today. So 20 something years later, they are exploding. Imagine if you had invested, let's say $5,000 in Google, $5,000 in Amazon, $5,000 in Microsoft in the early 2000s, you'll be sitting on top of some pretty good gains today, which I think some people are. So which industries are the ones that you should look forward to right now? That's what I want us to kind of cover today. So, and both of these industries are in the tech space. And so you're probably asking yourself, but you should diversify. Yeah, again, they are in the tech space, but they fall under technology and / manufacturing. So, and these are industries that are powering the future. So the first one that I want you to consider investing in is in AI, artificial intelligence. If you notice today that every company, pick a company today, they are talking about moving towards building solutions that are AI based. Everybody's doing it. It's just one of those things where monkey see, monkey do. So all companies are pushing towards doing that. So if you are a company that's not investing in AI, you're going to be left behind by your competition because AI is providing a ton of solutions from customer service to customer acquisition to everything. AI is providing the solution. So you should consider investing in an AI company. Again, I'm going to do a video here subsequently where I'm going to give you guys my top 5 AI stocks that you should invest in, as well as if you don't like individual stocks, then we can find some ETFs and index funds that are in the AI space that you can invest in. Again, just to give you kind of that umbrella of diversification. So I'm going to provide that video. The second area where I want you again to consider investing in would be semiconductors. So semiconductors are the backbone of microchips that power our computers, that power the internet, that power our cell phones and everything. So imagine without microchips, we wouldn't have all these computing powers that we have today. So if you are looking for long-term growth, imagine that AI is pushing more and more into our daily lives. People are adopting AI. AI needs a ton of processing power to be able to function. So it just makes sense that if you're investing in companies that are using a ton of AI, you might as well invest in at least a few companies that are responsible for building the microchips and the semiconductors that are responsible for powering our AI. So again, like I said, I'll give you guys my top 5 semiconductors companies that you should consider investing in. And also I'll provide, maybe for people that like diversification or don't want to do research, I'll provide you some ETFs that you can actually buy and invest in that space. So we'll cover that in subsequent video. But those are the two areas. Again, number one is we'll talk about artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, and all these other technologies that are coming up. Companies are adopting them more and more and more. Number two is the semiconductors, microchip companies that are responsible for powering our computers, our smartphones, the internet. So those two areas you should definitely consider investing in. So again, I'm going to give you guys my top 5 in subsequent videos. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Do you think these are the two areas for sure that are going to power the future? Or you think, oh, well, they are just here for a short amount of time and we're going to go back to our old ways. Let me remind you, if you look back again in the early 2000s, when Amazon, when Microsoft, when Google, when all these companies started, people didn't know they were going to be this big in the future. People that were looking at, oh no, I'm just going to stay with my blue chip manufacturing stocks because back then manufacturing was a thing. Look at where we are today. We've evolved past that. There we went to Google search engines where you type, it gives you an index of different web pages. But today, what do we have? ChatGPT. You ask for a question, it gives you a summary or even write you a book of what you want, which is the evolution. And so that's where we're going. And so if we're trending in that direction, who knows? Another 15 to 20 years today, you're going to look back like, man, I wish I had invested in some AI stocks or some semiconductor stocks. So again, let me know in the comment section what you think. Again, if you're new to the channel, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on new content. And also, guys, if you are looking to get started with investing, I think WeBull has a wonderful promotion right now that if you sign up, you get about 20 or 30 free stocks just for signing up and depositing about $150. So I'll put the link in the description below. Definitely go check it out if you haven't already started investing. But if you have, I would encourage you to start looking into the stocks that I said I'm going to be giving you guys subsequently again. Until next time, guys, stay motivated.